Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is very hot today, like hotter than it's been in a while. So I decided to go for a no makeup kind of look today. I really did not want to do a full face. In case you don't know, Fenty Beauty just released their Summer Beach Please line of makeup, and not a lot of it really appealed to me. I went into Sephora and I swatched the highlighters. I'll leave the pictures of them up here. But these shades were all too deep for my skin. I was looking at the one that's kind of like bronze and blue. And the blue was really nice, but the bronze I think would be too deep for my skin tone. So I decided not to get any of those Killawatt highlighters. And instead, I picked up these guys. So this is the Summer Days and Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trios. So I picked up both of these. I think they were like $40 each. First of all, this packaging is so pretty. It's like, you can't really see it because of my ring light, but it's like purple, kind of like crinkled foil or like shattered glass. I don't know, but I'm feeling it. Here is the Summer Days Lip Trio. So we have the shade Single, which is like this really kind of aqua mint green. Really pretty aqua mint green. This is Bilingual, which is like a beautiful like creamsicle orange gold, like iridescent gold. And this is Ready to Mingle, which is a really pretty purple. Then we have the Summer Nights Trio. This is what these ones look like. We have Vacray, which is this really pretty like champagne pink. We have Mermaid Thighs, which is this like iridescent blue purple. It kind of looks like an oil spill. And then this is Snakeskin, which is like the craziest iridescent. It's like gold green. Let me just zoom you guys in and we will just get right into swatching these. Let's just start with the Summer Days collection. And first we're going to go in with the shade Single. This is the shade Single. On its own, I think that it looks really bad on my skin tone, but I kind of have like yellowy undertones to my skin. So I don't think that this blue really flatters it, but it's really pretty and it's not like super sticky. Now let's go in with the shade Ready to Mingle, which is this like purple iridescent. Okay, so this is Ready to Mingle. I think that this one is really pretty. I think over like a pinky kind of purple color, it'd be so pretty. And last but not least in the Summer Days collection is, I think this one's gonna be my personal favorite. It is the shade Bilingual, and it's like a creamsicle orange color. Okay, so this is Bilingual. This is so pretty. It's just like a beautiful kind of like metallic orange, but it's like not super orange. It's not as pigmented as the other ones, or it's just too similar to my skin tone to notice a lot of pigment. But it's a really pretty kind of sparkly nude. Like, I don't know. It looks like really soft and pretty, but then up close you get like the really pretty like iridescent gold sparkle. So that was it for the Summer Days collection. Now let's just go into the Summer Nights. So this is the shade Vacray. I think this might be the one that Rihanna used in her like Vogue makeup tutorial. Okay, so this is Vacray. Looks very similar to Bilingual. It just has a more like of a gold shift. So those ones are probably my favorites. This one's just a little bit more metallic looking than Bilingual. Next, let's go in with the shade Mermaid Thighs, which is so pretty. I'm excited for this one. Okay, so this is Mermaid Thighs. On its own, it just kind of looks like I'm pretty cold, but I think it looks really pretty, and I think on a deeper skin tone, this would look really, really pretty. But on me, I don't personally like it. I think this would be really pretty over top of like a navy blue lipstick or something like that. But just on its own, I'm not really a fan of this one. But the actual like gloss is really pretty. And this one actually doesn't really have a sparkle in it, I've noticed. This one's actually just like a gloss that's kind of metallic, whereas the rest of them all had glitter particles in them. So this last one is the shade Snakeskin, which looks so crazy pretty in the bottle. This is Snakeskin. It's so cool. It's like brown. It's definitely like a brown colored gloss, but then it is like very iridescent green. And again, this one's not as glittery as the other ones. I think that these two, Mermaid Thighs and Snakeskin, are like just kind of metallic looking, and the shade Vacray as well as the entire Summer Days collection is more like glittery. So I'm just gonna insert some swatches right here so you guys can see all of them together. So we have the Summer Days Lip Trio with Single, Ready to Mingle, and Bilingual. And the Summer Night Trio with Vacay, Mermaid Thighs, and Snakeskin. Alright, so let me just zoom you guys back out and I will give you my final thoughts. So I put back on the shade Bilingual because I think that's my personal favorite in the entire two collections. I think it's just a really pretty wearable color. Okay, so let me just give you a little rundown of my opinion. I think the formula is very consistent throughout all 6 shades, and it's very similar to the Gloss Bombs. If you like that formula, you're probably going to like these. They just have more of a glitter infusion and are not as just glossy. These are definitely more fun than the Gloss Bomb. So the Summer Days Trio, I think that these are so pretty. I really only think that I would wear, personally, this shade Bilingual, but I definitely want to try these layered over top of lipsticks and see. But they're definitely like a really fun gloss. And the Summer Nights collection is the one that originally caught my eye. I definitely am going to be wearing the shade Vacray, and I'm definitely going to try and wear Snakeskin. And I don't really like the blue toned ones on me, so Mermaid Thighs and Single I wasn't really a fan of, but the rest of them I really liked. I'm not sure if these are sold individually or not, but if they are, I think that would be great because you could pick out which colors you like. Yeah, so my personal favorites are Bilingual and Vacray, which are the pink and orange ones. And then the other ones are more bold and out there. I really liked Snakeskin though. Let me know down below what you guys think of the entire Beach Please collection. These were really the only thing that stood out to me when I was at Sephora. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my quick little review on the Fenty Beauty, what were these called again? On the Fenty Beauty Summer Days and Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trios. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button down below before you leave, and I will see you all at the next video. Bye guys.